Look around my Serow 250 adventure sit-up. So guys, what can you say about my sit-up? I had a box, 45 liters, aluminum box, and changed my stock muffler into racing type. Open muffler by Pro Pipe T-4 carbon fiber. So it's a little bit loud, and put some accessories bought from Shopee. Alright, this one is weight shield in Shopee too. This carrier from Lazada for my T-4 carbon fiber skid plate T-4. That's all I got from Shopee for my Serow 250 Blue Edition, limited edition. So guys, what can you say about my setup? I had a sick cell phone mount that could turn upside down. Right, that's it. So amazing bike. For a beginner like me, I'm only 5'3" in height. What I like this bike is because the seat height is good for my height, 5'3". So guys, thank you for watching.